Hello guys, I am going to show you how to integrate ConvertBox with Klaviyo in 2024. Use the link in the description to sign up to ConvertBox at a huge discount. Step 1. In the ConvertBox dashboard, click on your profile image in the top right-hand corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Select the Integrations tab. Step 3. On our Klaviyo integration, select Connect. Step 4. Open a new window and log into your Klaviyo account. Select your profile image from the top right and then select Account. Step 5. Select your settings and click on API keys from the drop-down menu. Step 6. Select your private API key and copy it to your clipboard by right-clicking on it and selecting Copy. Step 7. Go back to the ConvertBox integration page for Klaviyo. Give your account a name that will easily identify it and paste your API key into the field below. Then click Connect to Klaviyo to finish integrating your account.